That's Algalon.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Your actions are illogical. All
5,
possible results
4,
for this encounter
3,
have been
2,
calculated.
1.
The Pantheon will receive the observer's message regardless of outcome.
Hop in hero.
Good tie stack, melee.
The stars come to my aid.
Diamonds first.
Watch your step.
Right foot.
AoE
It's going
incoming.
down. Skull's next.
AoE incoming.
Pop now.
I used it.
Watch out.
Just watch it melee as we transition.
Watch your step.
Right through the middle. Right through the middle of them.
X is gonna be next.
2, 1.
Watch your step.
Right foot.
AoE incoming.
X is going down at 5.
Move. Shelter.
Fury of the cosmos.
Left foot. Left foot. Left foot.
Got a triangle next. And
Stay left foot. Stay
seconds.
left foot.
5 seconds on triangle.
Taunting in 3, 2, 1.
Moon is next. Watch out, melee. It's going down at 5.
Watch your step.
Right foot.
And
I
1.
sacked him.
Square's next. Watch out, melee.
Innervate.
Gotcha.
Melee, move to the right a little bit, closer to the stone.
Feral Hall if you need one.
Is this my star?
Watch your step.
Melee, left foot.
Watch out, there's a hole right there.
Yep, yep, that's why we moved.
Go ahead.
AoE incoming.
Pop in skull.
Oh, sh. I don't.
Who has it? Sona.
Square's next.
Nasro has it.
Frank.
Move. Shelter.
Fury of the
I got Soulstone. I'll come up after.
Who's taken out of the...
Throw.
It's right there.
Watch your step.
Stay on left
Stay
foot.
left foot.
Square in 5 seconds.
And I used my thing. You can kill it.
Watch out, ring.
Kill it. Kill it.
Grabbing Benji. There's on marked by melee. It's gonna go down very soon.
Yeah, move
we
right
got
foot.
pop now.
Just move right foot. Move right foot. Just
Yep,
do it.
Good
Just do
call.
it.
Good call.
Shark is down.
AoE incoming.
Dang.
Watch your step.
Repositioning.
Let's get away from smashes.
I'm way far away. You just deal it with yourself, Melee.
It's gonna have triangle next in 5
Alright.
seconds.
Melee
Left foot.
I need any type of defensive you got.
Stack himself.
Watch your step.
Right foot.
Watch diamond make it clean.
Big bang in 5.
AoE incoming.
Big bang in 5.
Play safe. You're down 2 heals.
Step.
Gotta start out.
Left foot.
Tools of creation.
Move.
The
Shelter.
fury of the cosmos.
I'll be taunting out of Big Bang.
Go
We're
left
doing
foot,
left
left foot, left foot, left foot.
Alright, army.
I bubbled
Phase
D6
two.
Zerot for now.
Bobby, army.
Already out.
Watch your step.
Right foot, right foot, right foot, right foot. I'm gonna army.
Tuna, can you get on the right foot, not the left? Taunting in 3, 2, 1.
Those ads
I
aren't
have
by
a
us.
D6 shortly.
Left foot, left foot, left foot.
left.
Kill ad.
Cleave, cleave.
I used my D-Sac.
Just focus block.
Bang, 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 bang.
Focus.
Watch your step.
Right foot.
Oh, fuckers, come on.
I'm down. Taunt Zerot.
Keep short day up.
Big heal Soro. Everything on Soro.
Nice.
Let's go!
Yeah, we did it. We beat the game. See you next week or next phase, whatever that.
Okay, okay. Did anybody see my clutch as fuck taunt and nitro boost out?
Yes, whatever you did,
my
you're the
God.
fucking hero.
That was fucking amazing.
Dude, we're all that one thing now. Dude, a dagger, a reply code. What is
Great
it,
job, guys.
cloth
Great
bands,
fucking job.
Let's go, dude.
Mail